How to add Telegram link in TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're here from the account section, click on username. And as you can see, this is your Telegram link, which we will be adding to TikTok. So let's go ahead and copy. As you can see, if you wanted to copy, it only allows us to copy the second part, which is the username, and not the first part that give us the link. So it's okay, we can always write that later. Let's go ahead and copy this and let's open up TikTok. Now let's navigate to our profile page. And one thing with TikTok is that you need to keep in mind that it does not allow you to add a link to your profile until you have like 1,000 followers. However, for the sake of this video, I will just add it to the bio. It will not be clickable, but I will explain to you how it's done. It's the same way that you can use to add a link to once you have 1,000 followers. So once you're here, what you need to do is you need to write https colon forward slash forward slash, and then we will need to write on the previous Telegram link. So it's t.me dot, and then here we will paste our username e forward slash right here, sorry, forward slash, and this is our link. So let's click on save. It will be added to our bio, as you can see. And once you have enough followers and you can add a clickable link, you will be able to uh, click on this link and it will redirect you to your Telegram profile. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a Telegram link on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.